Hey y'all, we have secured the package. We got our Revair in the mail, and I just want to come over here and open it with you guys. We have what? Scan for step-by-step video, so it's a little QR code right here. Your free products are waiting. Healthy hair starts here. So if you guys are not familiar with the Revair is a reverse air blow dryer. It's supposed to be good for blow drying your hair and straightening out your hair with using lower heat temperatures, or it's not actually not a heat temperature. It's more of a cool air that just pulls the hair and straightens it. I'm hopeful that this will get us through our wash day routines and it won't take as long for our wash day routine. So what we have in our box, it comes with some clips. We got 4 little Revair clips, and then here is the actual Revair covered up and protected. This is what it looks like. Revair. And then this is our nozzle for drying the hair. So this looks like. So I assume this part connects to here. Maybe not. Let's see. It comes with a removable filter, so maybe if need be, if you've had it for a long time and you need to replace the filter, you got our temperature settings right here. From my understanding, I believe it goes up to a 5. I'm really excited about getting this Revair because I've been wanting it for a long time, but just been hesitant on purchasing it because if you're familiar with it, like I said, it is very expensive. It is a investment, and I know you have to invest on your hair tools. If you want healthy hair, you need to invest in good products, invest in good hair tools, but this is a big investment. But I am hopeful that it will help us get through hair day more efficiently and in more of a timely manner, because hair days around here can sometimes turn into 2 days, which is a lot when you still have to work and you have other responsibilities, activities. So this is the nozzle, which is very long, so it stretches. This nozzle will stretch far. So if you're not close to an outlet, you probably don't need a extension cord. So this piece goes right here. Okay, correction, it goes up to a level 7 tension. Alright, so on here it talks about what to do before getting started. Designed to work for all hair types, Revair utilizes patented technology that is customizable to achieve the best results for your individual unique hair. When considering your hair type, wavy, curly, coily, or straight, also consider its length, strength, thickness, and density. Keep in mind your hair porosity level, hair abilities to absorb and hold moisture, along with its overall condition. It's damaged by chemical treatments such as coloring, bleaching, or relaxing. These are essential factors in determining the Revair's tension and heat levels. Needed to be prepared to experiment a bit to unlock the perfect setting combination specific to your hair type. And so I have heard a lot of people say that they did not necessarily like the Revair. I've seen people that used it that probably had like 4C hair, and 4C hair is pretty much, in my opinion, the hardest hair to detangle and to get through. It's needed the most for 4C hair, just because the blow dry process can take a very long time. And so with those that have said that they didn't like it with their 4C hair, I think maybe they just didn't read the instructions and weren't informed on the best way of utilizing the tool when it comes to their hair, and considering all the factors that are listed here where it says consider your curl pattern, consider your porosity, also considering if your hair is damaged, if your hair is heat trained, if your hair is color treated, which anytime you're trying to do things with your hair, you want to make sure that you are considering all of those factors. But yeah, so we got the Revair. I'm so excited to use it. I can't wait to show y'all how it works. Like I said, I am very hopeful that this will get us through our wash day routines. especially with Bailey, because during gymnastics season she has to have like a little ballerina bun, and obviously with curly hair you don't necessarily have to straighten your hair every time gymnastics is, but sometimes I do want her to have a slick straight bun so she can be uniform with all the other girls. And blow drying her hair throughout gymnastics season is a lot of damage and a lot of heat put on her, plates on her hair. So I am excited to have this throughout gymnastics season for Bailey's hair, and then I'm excited just to have it in general for Champ's hair, because he does have 4C hair. His hair is very thick, although it's not that long. It's about maybe shoulder length. It's thick, it's very coily. He is very tender head, so it takes a lot when it comes to our wash day routine for Champ. As an at-home stylist with children, I always blow dry their hair before putting their protective styles in. I think it helps it last longer. It also helps the process when getting through their hair. It is very hard to put a protective style in, depending on the protective style that you're trying to go for. But when it comes to braids and twists, what my kids do a lot for their protective styling, they do need to have their hair either blowed out prior to protective styling. So I'm excited to use this. I am excited to see if it cuts our blow dry routine in half, and I'll let y'all know.